Welcome to Complyvision. This short demonstration will showcase Complyvision's dynamic feature capabilities using sample test data within Complyvision's test environments. Your purchased Complyvision solution will be configured to your specific industry requirement and organizational workflows. Enter your Complyvision URL into a secure web browser to access your organization's designated login page. Enter your username and password to log in. Complyvision's summary dashboard displays upon login, providing you with a holistic overview of compliance metrics for all facilities or partnered sites assigned to your organization. This dynamic dashboard contains summary information on mock surveys, policies, incidents, and Sentinel events. This dashboard is completely configurable, allowing you to choose from an array of graphical options that suits your desired login display. Upon login, a summary of metrics displays for all assigned facilities. However, this dashboard is intuitive and quickly recalculates metrics per selection. As I navigate a separate sandbox for this illustration, you can see metrics recalculate for an individual facility and for a combination of facility selections made. Simply hover over a graphic to quickly view counts and percentages. Click the graphic to drill down and view related results. Select desired line item for additional details. Select the Complyvision logo to return to the summary dashboard at any time. Next, let's navigate to the search view by selecting the compliance link within the green banner. This view allows you to perform a general search or to filter your search criteria. Click the search button to quickly display the results for all policies and standards stored within your system. The icons to the left indicate a documented policy or a regulatory standard. Columns are sortable. Select Clear to initiate a new search. You can filter search options by typing a word or phrase within the free text field to search by document name. Check the full text option to expand the search to the document's details. You can also filter search criteria for all stored policies or by specific policy areas. Complyvision allows export feature functionality for those wishing to export and print or save individual policies or policy sets. Select Export All to configure selections from the compliance search results. Exported policy sets can be tailored to include a title page, if desired. This title page can be customized or imported. By default, the version history and review data are included, along with an automated selection of all search results rendered. Deselect to exclude this information from the policy set. The system generates the title page, adds page numbers and a table of contents for each exported set. Easily navigate from one policy to the next using the page links within the table of contents. Numbered sets will not interfere with any individual page numbers listed on each policy. Next, let's filter standards. Complyvision gives you the ability to access all standards authorities stored within your system, or parse standard results by industry standards and respective standard categories. Complyvision can easily import and configure publicly regulated information and permissioned accreditation data to streamline industry-specific compliance workflows. Filter any policy or standard by facility, by individual state, or by selecting multiple states that support compact accreditation, licensure, and credentialing criteria. You can also filter the search criteria by source type to locate specific regulatory documents assigned to federal, state, or local agencies. Now, let's take a closer look at a sample policy and showcase how Complyvision promotes team readiness and streamlines compliance workflows. For this illustration, I performed a filtered search. Policies can also be accessed from the summary dashboard using the drill-down feature capability. The sample policy displays aligned tabs, a policy overview, and related forms or web links. Click View Document to access the approved sample policy document. To view version control history for this policy, select History. You can also view current updates, previously approved iterations, revert changes, and add addendum notes from this view as well. Make a selection to view previous versions without impacting the current. Add additional resource documents, links, and videos to the Related Forms section to further align compliance measures and enhance staff competencies. Select the Standards tab to view aligned regulations. The standard set and category assigned are listed below the description for easy identification of governing agency. Select View Document to view the agency's regulation. Toggle the field to choose alternate standards assigned to this policy. There is no limit to the number of regulations one can pair with another. View control steps by selecting the tab. Control steps are tailored to the regulation. Each has a name, brief description, classification, and related resources to promote consistent, cohesive compliance workflows. There is no limit to the number of control steps added. Select Incidents and Sentinel Events tabs to see aligned occurrences. Corrective action measures include assigned control steps and task acknowledgements for review. Each display within the incident details. This information can also be accessed from the dashboard or task list. Select Related Policies tab to view related policies governing your industry. For compliance officers looking to streamline the policy review and approval processes, select the Approvals tab. This tab displays accountability trackers for each policy iteration. Select the arrow to expand assignees and status. Select the Notes icon to view chat thread. Let's navigate the Acknowledgements tab. This tab displays a list of policy task assignees, status of action taken, and timelines. This information can also be accessed from the dashboard or task list. Customized tests can be added here as well. Access the assigned task from your task list or secure email task link. Select Task List in the green banner to view assigned task. Select Acknowledgement to view instructions, related policy details and tabs. When ready, select Take Test. When user fails a test, the system will capture a status of fail and allow you to retake the test. The assigned task will also remain on user's list. When user passes test, status will reflect passed on the Acknowledgements tab and disappear from the assigned task list. Authorized user select action items to create, template and align newly created policies, standards, control steps, incidents, Sentinel events to respective regulatory tabs. Authorized users can also use bulk import components within the admin upload and configure compliance documents using a simple drag and drop feature. Once the compliance data has been tracked, regulations aligned, and risks identified and addressed, mock surveys can be created and managed from the dashboard. They assist you with testing quality assurance measures and team readiness models. Mock surveys provide colorful scoring metrics that help you quickly identify areas of concern. Each survey aligns with a standard category and encourages team collaboration and workflow consistency. Score the survey. To configure reports and the dashboard, select the data link within the green banner. For this example, I'll select a pre-configured data report on a scheduled run cycle. Authorized users can export data reports. Reports can also be scheduled to send on a future date to assigned recipients. To configure dashboard summary data, select the Data Dashboard option from the green banner. Authorized users can create new dashboard diagrams or access and edit existing. Authorized users can access the admin page to configure data fields within your organization's assigned Complyvision application. You can configure accreditation readiness to your industry, accreditation agencies, and organizational specifications. Schedule data reports, import and export standards, and add or edit users, assigned roles, facilities, states, and profile. Access the FileVision help files along with your organization's preloaded manuals from the FileVision help link. Users can also access the help files and pre-configure manuals and templates from the Action Items Library navigation link. This concludes our short demonstration of Complyvision, a cloud-based, accreditation-agnostic compliance data management solution. Complyvision will give you peace of mind. Empower your professionals and streamline your compliance workflows with this configurable single-source solution.